Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading the last couple of videos. Your girl's been ill. I've been so poorly. I thought it was Rona, but it wasn't. It was just a virus. Gave me really bad upset stomach, sore throat, headache, massive cold sores on my lips. I had the worst breakouts I've ever had in a long while. I literally was going through it last week. I didn't have the heart to do anything. I was going to film Sunday, but me and Tony ended up going to quite a few garden centres and doing a bit of shopping and stuff like that for the garden. Yeah, it's looking really, really nice. I'm really happy with it, but we haven't quite finished it yet. So once it's finished, I will be showing you the grand reveal of the garden. The only downfall is I didn't do a before, so you're only going to see the after. Today's video, we're here to talk about the Earthy palette. I've already done the berries palette. I'll put it up here and down below if you want to check that one out. We're going to play around with this palette. I've done this look on my eyes today, so yeah, I'm just going to do a few swatches, then we'll jump straight into the video. So from my wrist up, guys, we have Trance, which is that beautiful limey green. We then have Apple. Next to that we have a forest green called Pine, and then next to that we have Eucalyptus, which I've used today, and the last one is Pickle. So then we have all the four glitters in the palette. So from my wrist again, we have Moss, which is that gorgeous foresty green. Then we have Pixie. Next to that we have Bay, which is that beautiful goldy green shimmer. And then the gorgeous lime on the end. These shimmers are stunning, guys. They are beautiful, and the shimmers are gorgeous as well, and the mattes were so beautiful on the eye. So comment down below which one you like, if you've seen the berries one and now you've seen the earthy one, and let your girl know what you think, what your thoughts are. I like talking to you guys in the comments down below. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching, guys. Start off with a little bit of skincare first. So I'm going to put on the Clinique Moisture Jelly that I got in one of the mystery boxes. Primer, we're going to go in with a Weleda Skin Food. It gives you like that glow from within skin, and I'm living for that. Using the Chroma cover from Be Perfect's concealer. This is in the shade W1, which I think is their lightest shade. Going to use some of my Revolution loose powder, just a really small amount, just to set that concealer. Don't laugh at me, but I'm going to put a plaster on my eye. I'm going to use the Jessup's smudger brush and go into Eucalyptus. And I'm going to do like a wing effect. So I'm just tapping that down in the outer corner. And then just really trying to get it into the lash line, as close to the lash line. I've been seeing quite a lot of people like do these kind of looks for like Coachella. Coachella is literally all that's on YouTube at the moment. Everyone and their aunts going to Coachella. I don't think I'd like to experience that myself, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe I'm just past all that now. And then with the brush, I'm just sweeping it from side to side just to softly blend that green. And I'm going to go into like a pencil brush, but it's a little bit thicker than a pencil brush. So this is a Jessup's Luxe Petite Crease Brush, and I'm gonna go into this green here, which is called Trance, and I'm gonna pop that just over the top. I don't want something too crazy of a look this time round. Wanting something a little bit more wearable. I had this look in my head. I've seen it quite a few times in different colours, and now I'm just gonna use a bit of that concealer and just like a little bit of a cut crease. And then I think with my Pound powder, I'm just gonna pop that onto that cut crease. I'm going to take this really small brush, which is from Jessup's, and it's their Detailed Shader. I'm going to take Ray on this little brush, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner. Oh no, I'm not. I'm going to take that over the lid. That is such a pretty shimmer shade. I hope that camera is picking that up. I'm going to take a little bit of the concealer and put that in my inner corner. Tap it on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to bring that right into that inner corner. And then I'm going to take another little packing brush. So this is the Jessup's Detailed Shader, but in a black colour. And I'm going to take Lime. Oh, look how gorgeous that looks. And then I'm just going to tap that into the inner corner. Oh yeah, that is stunning. I'm going to take this brush without any added product and just blend. Moment of truth with the plaster. Oh, I like that, guys. It's green, it's out there, but it's still, to me, kind of a wearable look. I would literally go down the supermarket with my eyes like this. So yes, oh, I like it. I'm going to decide if I'm going to put lashes on or not. Because, guys, I bought another mascara. I was in Wilko's yesterday getting some garden stuff, and I happened to go across the Essence Light counter, and I picked up a new Lash Princess because my other one was completely like used to death, and I think she's seen better days. So this is the Lash Princess Lash Effect, False Lash Effect, sorry, mascara in waterproof. So let's see if she's up to, you know, the job, or do we need to put lashes on? I'm hoping not, because I really don't want to wear lashes today. Do you know what, guys? I think she's gonna save me. And I don't think I'm going to need to put lashes on, which is amazing because I hate doing it. This was £3.30, this mascara. I love it. I absolutely love Essence like mascaras. But yeah, I absolutely love that, guys. So I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. So that's both the eyes done, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love this. I mean, you could have a complete intense look with this look or more wearable one. So I kind of like it. I love the eyes, even if I did use plasters. So I've just put a little bit of cream under my eyes because they were looking a little bit dry. And I've been using this one from Aldi. It's the Liqueura facial cream, which is supposed to be the dupe for the Kiehl's cream. This cream is gorgeous. I jump into foundation, and I'm using the Be Perfect Chroma cover. I'm using the shade N3. This would be my shade if it didn't oxidize. Now this oxidizes like a complete and utter bitch. So I would say probably go a shade lighter in this foundation, but it wears so good. It looks so nice on the skin. It photographs gorgeous. So I would recommend, but go a bit lighter in your shade, probably just the next one down, guys. So I'm just gonna pop a few splodges on. I mean, I do have like a whitening drops thing. I sometimes put that in, but because I'm only filming today, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna use it as it is. But it's such a gorgeous foundation. It really, really is. It's just the colour, so I'm just going to take it right down the neck. And if you've tried this foundation, what are your thoughts on it? Obviously, I'm going to use the Chroma Cover Concealer. And I'm just going to pop it in the usual areas, like under my eyes. Take it up against my wing, like my wing. I'm then going to wait to let that get a little bit tacky because it'll be more full coverage. I'm then going to go in with my Liqueura stick just to use it up. And this is in Ola, and I'm going to do a little bit of cream bronze. But I have been seeing people just do 2 little lines down the sides of the nose, not all the way up like I have been doing. It's just 2 little lines, a little bit under the nose, and then just across the top, and then just a little bit under the lips, supposed to give you that lifted, oh god, this, nah. It's supposed to give you that lifted, like, look. I don't know if it works or not, but I do it anyway. I mean, has that done anything? maybe. Oh, I love that concealer. So I saw someone the other day use a bullet lipstick as cream blush, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna use this bullet lipstick from Revolution, and it's in Just Have Fun. So, and I also like, blush is supposed to be 2 fingers apart, so it's supposed to be there. I'm gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna blend it out at the same time. I mean, did that do nothing? I'm not sure if that's just blended out into nothingness, but we'll try again on this side. Go across the nose, because that's where the sun naturally, apparently, hits your nose. Yeah, it looks kind of cute. I want to try this Cover FX. This is glitter drops. It looks like this. It's so beautiful, really nice. I got this from TK Maxx in the sale, red label sale, for £2.50. It's gonna pop just a few splodges here, and the same on this side. I mean, yeah, it's got gold specks in it, which it says. I just wanted to try it out on the skin. It does look pretty. I'm gonna put the excess of it on my nose and Cupid. It's definitely got glitter in it because that's what it says, but you know, for festivals and stuff, this would be ideal. My loose powder, as I did before, my Revolution coconut powder. I'm obsessed. So now I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, same powder, and just set the rest of my face. For the bronzer, I'm going in with my very dirty Revolution Roxy palette. This is her contour and highlight palette, and I'm just going to use the 2 lighter shades on top. Sponge over just to blend it all into the skin. For a while, it's from Rimmel, super affordable. I think they're about £3 or £4. And it's the Maxi Blush in Expose. And if you guys know, you know, I'm going to be using my favourite Real Techniques blush brush. And just tap, 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 tap up across the temples. Setting spray today, Revolution Hydrate and Fix. This is the Radiance Makeup Long Wear Oil Control with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid? With hyaluronic acid, that's the one. Spray fix. You get 100 mils for about £8. So let's hydrate this face because it's looking very dry. Drench the skin. That's the tip. Now I'm going to be using a very nostalgic palette. So this is the Revolution X Sophie highlight palette. It's literally busted. It is broken. I'm down to the pan on 2 of the shades. I'm just going to use my Beauty Bay brush, and I tend to, well, fan brush, and I tend to just go across the top. And I mean, look at that. It is gorgeous. It looks wet. Put a bit under my brow. It looks wet. It looks stunning. I absolutely love this palette. Yeah. I mean, look at that. Bam, bam, honey. Let's take a bit of pickle, shall we? Take a bit of this pickle shade on, what brush is this? A BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And I'm just going to pop that under the lower lash line. We're going to go into this shade called Trance and put it on that bullet brush and just literally blend and smudge that out. And then with the mascara, I only like to tend to do the little outer corner of the lashes on the bottom lash line. Then, my lovelies, we're going to do lips. So I need to take off this situation, the old 90s makeup foundation lips. I'm going to take the Profusion lip liner in Imagine and pop that on my lips, basically. Oh, it's nearly out. Oh no. So smooth. I love this lip liner. I found it in Home Bargains about 2 years ago. I think it's all gone. Well, that's another one for the trash bin. That video will be coming soon, guys, because the trash bin is almost full. So to keep in with obviously the blush that I put on my lips, I'm going to pop some of this Bullet lipstick on, and it's in Just Have Fun. I'm not putting too much of it on, I'm just literally tapping it. So I think that's like a nudie pink, which is gorgeous. Just going to tap that over my finger. And then for gloss, I'm going to be using the Clarins Natural Lip Perfector. I've been loving this with like just this on its own, to be honest, on those natural days. So I'm just going to pop this on. And it just makes your lips so juicy. It is beautiful. It's not sticky. It's more like a lip oil than a lip gel, lip gloss or anything. So what do you guys think of the overall look? So this is as good as I could get with my hair, guys. My hair needs cutting, so I kind of did space buns, never mind. It looks atrocious. So guys, the final thoughts of the palette, I love it. I love the palette so much, like I did with the berries one. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the cards or down below. But yeah, this is the palette. It looks beautiful. If you love greens, then you will definitely love this palette. And yeah, it had hardly any fallout. The look is super wearable in my opinion. I would literally go down the supermarket with this look. Or you could do a bold, fun look. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get updated every time I upload, which I promise will be every Sunday and Wednesday. I'm sorry I was so ill. I literally couldn't get out of bed. It was horrific. It really was horrific. But I'm back now. I'm feeling much better. Lots of videos to come, guys, I promise. So please hit that subscribe button if you like my content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.